Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit in the AI era. Learn how to navigate the business world and create success like never before. Hello and welcome back to our channel. A lot has changed in the business landscape since the advent of ChatGPT 3.5 just over a year ago. AI is not only transforming industries, but also accelerating startups like never before. Today, we're delving into the topic of starting a business in an AI world, exploring the unique opportunities AI presents for entrepreneurs. If you're ready to dive into the world of entrepreneurship in the age of AI, you're in the right place. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Introduction to AI Transformation. In 2012, I had the privilege of speaking at the Masters of Entrepreneurship program at MIT. Drawing on my 20-year career of starting, scaling, and exiting numerous companies, I shared insights on entrepreneurship. One key lesson learned was the importance of the right story, people, money, and systems at each stage of a business. Today, with the rise of AI, we're on the brink of witnessing millions of startups benefiting from this paradigm shift, leading to an unprecedented creation of wealth. Rules of success in an AI world. While the rules of success haven't drastically changed with the introduction of AI, the age of AI offers unique ways to enhance your chances of success. Here are 10 steps to starting a business in an AI world. Number 1. Find an idea that works. Embark on your entrepreneurial journey by finding a compelling idea. Draw inspiration from personal experiences, hobbies, and professional challenges. Identify problems in the market and conceptualize solutions. Explore emerging trends and technologies. Your startup's foundation lies in a unique and viable idea, so take the time to nurture creativity. Remember, the right idea sets the stage for success in the dynamic landscape of an AI-powered world. Number 2. Catch the wave. Seize the entrepreneurial moment with Catch the Wave. Identify and capitalize on technological and regulatory transformations shaping industries. Dive into opportunities spawned by gene editing, self-driving cars, the sharing economy, and the boom in online marketplaces. Stay ahead of the curve by recognizing societal shifts and emerging trends. In this dynamic landscape, riding the wave of innovation is not just an option, it's a strategic imperative for your startup's success in the AI-powered world. Number 3. Pick scalable ideas. Empower your startup's growth with Pick scalable ideas. Launch a business with the potential for expansion, avoiding the limitations that stunted previous ventures. Learn from past experiences. Running a large company can be easier than a small business. Discover the art of scalability, allowing your venture to flourish without daunting infrastructure challenges. In the evolving AI landscape, the ability to scale isn't just a preference, it's a key ingredient for long-term success, opening doors to unparalleled opportunities in the business world. Number 4. Act on those ideas. Transform inspiration into reality with Act on those ideas. Propel your startup forward by taking decisive actions. Choose a name, secure a domain, check trademarks, design a logo, and seek peer feedback. Overcome obstacles with the assistance of AI tools like ChatGPT or PIAI to refine your vision. This stage is about turning your entrepreneurial dreams into tangible steps, ensuring your ideas take flight in the vast landscape of an AI-driven business world. Number 5. Build a moat. Fortify your startup against competition with Build a Moat. Shield your innovation by securing patents, trademarks, and fostering continuous innovation. Establish a formidable brand presence, making it difficult for imitators to penetrate. Think beyond your product or service. Focus on building a brand fortress. At paw.com, 90% of revenue is derived from a strong brand and distribution channels, acting as an impenetrable moat. In the ever-evolving AI business realm, a robust defense is paramount to secure lasting success for your venture. Number 6. Plan without using AI. Craft a strategic foundation with Plan without using AI. In just 30 minutes, create a concise 4 sticky note business plan outlining the story, people, money, and KPIs. This human-centric approach, advocated in my book Start, Scale, Exit, Repeat, provides clarity for initial goals without AI intervention. Embrace simplicity in planning to foster a deep understanding of your startup's essentials. In an age of technological complexity, a straightforward plan remains a powerful tool for steering your business towards success in the AI-driven entrepreneurial landscape. Number 7. Create AI-enhanced investor plans. Elevate your business pitch with Create AI-enhanced investor plans. While the initial plan is AI-free, leverage artificial intelligence to craft a detailed, compelling presentation for potential investors. Enhance your storytelling and data-driven insights with AI, demonstrating the forward-thinking nature of your startup. This fusion of human intuition and AI precision creates a persuasive narrative that resonates with investors, setting the stage for your venture's success in securing the support it needs to thrive in the dynamic AI business world. Number 8. Connect with mentors and community. Supercharge your startup journey with Connect with Mentors and Community. Engage with mentors and incubators. As SCORE suggests, businesses with mentors are 3x more likely to succeed. Leverage the wisdom of experienced mentors and the supportive community. Networking is the heartbeat of entrepreneurial success. It fosters invaluable connections, insights, and collaborative opportunities. In the ever-evolving AI landscape, building a strong support system enhances your startup's resilience, increasing the likelihood of not just surviving, but thriving in this competitive business world. Number 9. Use AI as a creative ally. Unleash innovation with Use AI as a creative ally. Transform ideas into masterpieces by collaborating with artificial intelligence. Witness the astounding potential as AI refines and enhances your vision. A real-life example. Our team used AI to design a board game based on our book, Start, Scale, Exit, Repeat. Experience the intricate details and descriptiveness AI brings to the creative process. By integrating AI as a creative partner, your startup ventures into uncharted territories, ensuring a unique and compelling edge in the AI-driven entrepreneurial landscape. Number 10. Market with AI. Elevate your market presence with Market with AI. Deploy artificial intelligence in your business launch, from dynamic social media campaigns to personalized customer communications. Explore applications like Pensila. As AI accelerates your growth, stay ahead of the curve with innovative marketing strategies. In this AI-driven era, leveraging the power of AI in your marketing efforts is not just a choice, it's the strategic move that propels your startup towards unprecedented success. The heart of entrepreneurship. In the realm of entrepreneurship, AI may compile thoughts and best practices, but the core cannot be outsourced. The heart of entrepreneurship beats with the irreplaceable spirit of human innovation. While AI offers tools, the most groundbreaking ideas often arise from unconventional thinking. As you embark on this journey, remember that your unique insights, creativity, and determination fuel the engine of entrepreneurship, shaping a future where human ingenuity remains central in an AI-driven world. It's an exciting time to embark on the entrepreneurial journey, and with the power of AI, you can launch faster and cheaper, increasing your chances of success. The ultimate result: AI will likely mint more startup millionaires than any other technological shift of our lifetime. So, gear up, embrace the possibilities, and let's build the businesses of the future together. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on navigating the business landscape in the AI era. Until next time, happy entrepreneuring.